Hey guys, it's iPod Pro here, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the ultimate Wi-Fi setup for Fortnite. I'll be covering the best modem and router for Fortnite and gaming in general. Before I get into the details, make sure you know the top speed your network provider allows. Knowing this piece of information is extremely important, as not only will it save you from spending more money than you need to, but it can also be the root of the problem. For Fortnite, you want a consistent 50 megabytes per second minimum, but preferably around 100 megabytes per second or more. If your plan only allows of 100 megabytes per second or less, that will definitely bottleneck your device, as if there are multiple devices online at the same time, you won't be receiving anywhere near 100 megabytes per second. If your plan is around 200 or higher, you should be just fine. I get around 130 megabytes per second, which allows me to get a consistent 20 ping when I play, which you can see in my gameplay. Anyways, let's get right on with the video. So the two most important things for your internet are your modem and router. The modem gets internet from your network provider through a coaxial cable, and your router spreads it among all the devices. There are many different types of routers, but my favorite type of routers are the mesh Wi-Fi systems. Rather than having a traditional one router setup, a mesh Wi-Fi comprises of two or more routers. This mesh Wi-Fi setup not only provides for a more balanced Wi-Fi stream throughout the whole house, but it also allows you to place one of the routers next to your computer, letting you connect to it with Ethernet. My favorite mesh Wi-Fi systems are the Google Wi-Fi or its upgraded version, the Google Nest Wi-Fi. The biggest difference between the two is mainly the speed they allow. While the Google Wi-Fi can consistently keep around 250 megabytes per second speeds, the Google Nest Wi-Fi can keep around 600 megabyte per second speeds. This is where it is very important to note the max speed your network provider allows. If it is below 600 and you have no plans on upgrading later on, definitely go with the Google Wi-Fi, as it is much cheaper than the Google Nest Wi-Fi. But if your network provider allows for speeds upwards of 600 megabytes per second and you want to use all of it, then you should definitely go with the Google Nest Wi-Fi. Now for the modem, I've decided to go with the Netgear CM series. These are great modems and work extremely well with the Google Wi-Fi or Google Nest Wi-Fi systems. I would recommend going with the Netgear CM600 or anything newer. Although there are other older modems that allow for speeds of over 100 megabytes per second, that is only under perfect conditions, when only one device is using it. The CM600's top speed is 400 megabytes per second, which is a lot more than needed. However, if your network allows for speeds greater than 400 megabytes per second, you can also purchase one of Netgear's better modems in the CM lineup. Something to keep in mind, however, is if you use a voice over internet phone line that connects to your modem, you'll have to purchase the CM1150V. Although this is much more expensive than the rest of the lineup, it can also reach speeds of up to 2 gigabytes per second. Overall, I would recommend getting a Google Wi-Fi mesh system with a CM600. These will easily be able to provide a consistent internet speed and will definitely improve your Fortnite experience.